Amazing. Too good. Hello people, you're watching Movie Mania by USK. I'm Utsav and this is my reaction to the trailer for the much awaited Bollywood film Gulabo Sitabo, directed by Sajid Sarkar, written by Juhi Chaturvedi and starring Ayushmann Khurrana and Amitabh Bachchan for the first time. The film is going to be released on Amazon Prime Video on the June 12th. Now this film has been awaited since the time of announcement because of the collaborations involved. This is the second time that actors are collaborating with the director. Ayushmann is collaborating with Sajid Sarkar after his debut film Vicky Donor. Amitabh Bachchan is collaborating with Sajid Sarkar after the much loved Piku, and the combination of Juhi Chaturvedi and Sajid Sarkar, the master writer-director pair. Juhi Chaturvedi and Sajid Sarkar are the pair behind films like Vicky Donor, Piku, and the fascinating masterpiece October. Oh my god. And the biggest one of them all, the first time coming together of Amitabh Bachchan and Ayushmann Khurrana. This is a film that I can't wait to watch, and I'm going to hit the play button right away for the trailer.
हमारे एक बात समझ नहीं आ रही है, यहाँ एल्यूमिनियम की हंडिया पड़ी थी, वहाँ मिर्जा की चप्पलें पड़ी थी, यहाँ दो बकरियां बांध रखी हैं, साला हमारा ही बल्ब मेरा निकालने के लिए।
अरे बल्ब ना चोरी हुई, निगोड़ी जायदाद चोरी हो गई।
इनकी जायदाद वाली सूरत कहाँ?
लैट्रिन जाना हो तो मिश्रा जी की फैमिली के साथ जॉइंट टॉयलेट।
लेकिन हमें पता नहीं था कि आप इतने गरीब हैं।
आज से पार्किंग दो, 50 रुपया रोज का।
हमारा जाओ अपनी बकरियों के साथ बैठो, ठीक है? और ना ठोक देंगे तुम्हें, समझे?
हवेली और हमारे बीच आना ना, वरना ऐसा हाल कर देंगे तो हद।
बुलाओ, हाल तो तुम्हारा करेंगे हम। यूनिवर्सिटी के लौंडे बुला लिए ना, जितनी आशिकी चल रही है हवेली के साथ, सब निकाल देंगे। इतनी पुरानी ईंटें, ये तो होना ही था।
एक तो किराया बढ़ाते नहीं हो, मकान खाली करते नहीं हो, घोंगा बन के बैठे हो गले में हमारे।
चिल्लाओ मत, अटैक आ जाएगा।
आपको तो अपना मकान खाली करवाना है किराएदार से।
कागजात लायो, मीटिंग के लिए ऐसे आ गए टहलते हुए।
एक ही ऑप्शन है, हवेली बेच दो।
सरकारी हैं, आर्कोलॉजी।
हवेली हमने बेच दी है।
बेच रहे हो? बेच ही नहीं सकते।
हवेली हमारी, जमीन हमारी, मर्जी हमारी, कैसे नहीं बेच सकते?
लेकिन परमिशन हमारा लगेगा।
अब मजा आएगा।
मोहब्बत करते हैं हम अपनी हवेली से बेइंतहा।
ऐसा है, तुम्हारी कोई औलाद नहीं है, हमारा बाप नहीं है, कोर्ट कचहरी के चक्कर से निजात पाओगे, हमें गोद ले लो।
Amazing. Too good. World premiere on June 12th on Amazon Prime Video. Yeah. No. Okay. So, this trailer seems like a laugh, right? Not that I had not expected this. Sajid Sarkar and Juhi Chaturvedi, whenever they give us a comedy, it's gonna be a very fresh take. And this is very fresh. You know, the title, Gulabo Sitabo, they have derived it from a UP-based play, a puppet-based play, which is about two warring women who have the same man in their life. Yet, Sitabo is supposed to be the spouse, the overworked spouse of a man, whereas Gulabo is the mistress of the same man. And of course, you can understand the idea of that show is also the warring ideologies and women who are constantly at war. They have adapted this storyline for their film among a landlord played by Amitabh Bachchan and his tenant played by Ayushmann Khurrana. These two actors have just slipped into the role. You know, they are amazing actors, but the way they have vanished into their roles is just amazing. I can't wait to watch the film because this trailer itself is filled with so many peppy moments. I will go to the extent of saying that it is yet another masterpiece from Sujit Sarkar because it looks like that. But if you look at Sujit Sarkar and Juhi Chaturvedi's other films till now, all of them, apart from being great comedies or in the case of October, great coming of age story about Varun Dhawan, they have also have an undertone which is very serious and affects all of us in our lives. Like Vicky Donor talks about sperm donation and the stigma related to it and how it affects a married man. Piku, apart from being a laugh out loud comedy about a road trip, Piku was essentially the story of a father and daughter, a beautiful story of a father and daughter. And October, as we all know, there were multiple stories playing parallelly beneath the surface. So, Gulabo Sitabo, I think they are going to adapt something over here. I think I get what they are trying to show because in the last moment of the trailer, they are like, Ayushmann Khurrana asks Amitabh Bachchan, I don't have a father, you don't have a son, why don't you adopt me? And then, of course, it's a scene played for laughs. But I think they're going to equate this bond that they have, this consistent bickering that they have, with the fact that he doesn't have a son and he doesn't have a father. So that's what their bond relates to. The music is fantastic. It seems so offbeat and the only thing that I'm concerned about, it is not related to the film actually. This is the first major film that is getting a direct to OTT release due to the lockdown. The problem is if you look at any film till now that has had a direct to OTT release, they have failed to have a satellite release for obvious reasons because that's the deal that you release it on the OTT platform, they don't get a release anywhere else. This is releasing on Amazon Prime Video. If it was released on Hotstar, I guess it had the chance of getting a release on the Star channels, but this is getting a release on Amazon Prime Video. Now, Sujit Sarkar's comedies may be multiplex oriented, but we all know whenever these films play on the TV, everyone watches it. So, by releasing it on OTT, they are a large section of the audience will not get a chance to watch this film, especially in the areas where OTT is not a big thing yet in India. So yeah, that is one thing I'm concerned about. Maybe a non-theatrical release won't really affect this film. This is not the kind of blockbuster massive film that had a lot of budget going on. So it will be a big loss for them if it's a direct to OTT release. So there's no Suryavanshi or 83. So not getting a theatrical release is not my concern. My concern is not getting a satellite release. I don't know how they're going to work that out. I hope they do because a number of people deserve to watch a Sujit Sarkar comedy because apart from being laugh out loud entertaining films, they are really great films to sit and watch with your family. That is the only thing I'm a little skeptical about. But yeah, I'm going to go in with an open mind because of course the story is going to be way beyond what it seems on the surface. But still, the expectations are obviously high. And I think the expectations will be matched. Come on, like Sujit Sarkar has never failed us. He's a master director. Even if you take his non-Juhi Chaturvedi collaborating films, Madras Cafe, Yahan, amazing work. He is a fantastic director. In fact, those two films are his most underrated films. Madras Cafe is one of John Abraham's best performances till date, and Yahan, his first film, the 2005 or 4 film, which starred Jimmy Shergillan, Minisha Lamba. That was a fantastic film. If you haven't watched it, watch it. Yeah, that was all from my side. Let me know what you thought about the trailer. Let me know about your excitement for this film, and let me know what you think about this film not getting a satellite release. Yeah, let me know in the comment section. Like and share this video. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, do it right away. Thank you.